I know what you've been told. 90% of traders are losing. Most traders blow their trading account out in 90 days. But why is this the case? Could it be that the majority of people are getting bad common trading knowledge? Is the knowledge that's in the industry the reason why most traders are losing? Could it be that there is a better way if you had the right teacher? You do not have to keep losing. There is a better trading way. In this video, I am going to reveal to you how you can stop losing and begin to increase on the sudden. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. Now this video here, this is gonna be a fun one. So check it out. People have been coming for my head ever since I said you do not need indicators to trade. I mean, they've been coming for your boy and I don't get it. You know what I'm saying? I really don't. So check it out. I'm down to one indicator. We use the 21 EMA, right? Why are people so offended by me saying you don't need indicators? I don't understand what's the offense to that. You know what I mean? Most of you guys didn't create the indicators. So why are you so married to them? I don't get it. Why come from my head? But I'm gonna tell you something I noticed from these people, right? From the people who came for me, none of them said, hey, listen, I use this indicator, this indicator, this indicator, and I'm winning at 60, 70, 80%. Check it out. None of them said that, right? None of them said, hey, look, you know what I'm saying? I use this indicator, this indicator, this indicator. Come over to my channel where I'm teaching, check my comment receipts, see how people are saying they're winning for the very first time ever. You know what I'm saying? Indicators do work. None of them said that. None of them said that, right? None of them said, hey man, check it out. Listen, indicators do work. Run over to Amazon. You know what I'm saying? Go in online trade and see how I'm a #1 bestseller. None of them said that. None of them said that. None of them said run over to Amazon, check out how I'm a #1 bestseller in online trading. None of them said that. But they coming for me. Listen, guys, you don't want this smoke, all right? Y'all don't want this smoke. Listen, I'm not teaching theory here, okay? We are not teaching theory, all right? What I share on this channel, I'm doing every day in the live markets, and it's not theory. You can check my receipts, okay? Go through my comments. You will see how my members of my community, how my students are increasing on the sudden. We're not teaching theory here. You do not need indicators. Trading is not as hard as everybody is trying to make it, okay? We're not listening to the lie, all right? We are not listening to bad common trading knowledge on this channel. If you don't like it, go somewhere else, okay? We keep things simple, all right? You do not need 10 to 15 indicators to trade the markets. The more you clutter your charts, okay, the harder it's going to be to trade, all right? So now I know everybody who's in the industry, everybody understands, everybody has read all of the trading is so hard. 90% are losing. Most people are failing. Most people get wiped out in 3 months. We all know that this is the case. And the reason it's the case is because everybody is being taught bad common trading knowledge. That's the case because the majority of people are trying to use indicators that are put in the industry by the big banks who want to take your cookies, okay? Man, big bank take little bank. Here's what I want people to understand that's on this channel. Here's what I want my subscribers to understand. Here's what I want my members of my community to understand. Here's what I want my students to understand. And many of them probably already do. But let me tell you guys a story. Keeping it simple. Let me, you know, I try not to boast too often. All right. Other than that little, you know, that I'm a #1 bestseller, little boast there. Okay. But I try not to boast too often, right? I think you guys would agree with that. I try to keep it humble. I think that's the best way to go about your business. But check it out. I got to boast just a little bit to get my point across here. Okay. So here it comes. I make trading easy. Just gonna put it out there. I'm not saying trading is easy. I am saying I make trading easy. Okay. Let me explain. I'm gonna go deeper. I ain't gonna just throw something out there so bold and not back it up. Okay. So here's the deal. The person that I consider my mentor, the person that I learned price action trading from, okay, he indirectly taught me the market cycle. I have never heard him use the word market cycle. Okay. What I want you guys to understand, what I put in my book, what I teach in my course, what I teach on this YouTube channel every day is that the market cycle is the key. Understanding how the market moves is the key. That's why we can track prices. That's why we know when to look for second entries. That's why we know when to look for higher lows, lower highs. The market cycle is the key. All right. When I combine price action, the market cycle, and Fibonacci retracement zones, this is why the sweet spot trade is so powerful, because while most people are jumping at every little turn, jumping at every little movement in the market, we're sitting back waiting, don't we? We just be sitting there waiting. After you mark up your chart and find a sweet spot, don't you just be waiting? Exactly. Have you ever heard that trading should be boring, right? That is so true. When you're truly a good trader, it's boring because you're waiting. Most of the trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, 80% waiting. Most of the time we're just waiting, right? So we find the sweet spot and we're waiting for a price action entry. It's a lot of waiting. Trading is supposed to be boring, okay? But let me get back to my story, okay, of how I personally make trading easy. Here it comes. Here it goes. So again, my mentor, he never said the word market cycle. Okay. What he did used to say is that when you get a trend, expect a trend break and look for a retest. Okay. So he kind of was explaining the rule of two. He never used the word rule of two. All right. But what happened is he had a big, long catalog because he'd been doing this for probably 30 years now. Right. So when I was part of his community, I was scouring through all the videos that he had in the back office. And as I was going through them, I just started to see, like, you know what? He don't be saying it, but there's a pattern here, right? There's a pattern here, okay? So I was learning price action and I had a little piece of the rule of two. I didn't even have a whole market cycle when I left his community, okay? Then I went to an online school, I Am Academy, all right? I learned more about trading. I learned more about the Fibonacci retracement zones, okay? So then that added another little piece. Then I read several books. Got to get them books in. I read a book, man, I think it was called Price Action Secrets. The guy's name is Tao or something. I can't remember right now, but it was, I'm pretty sure it was called Price Action Secrets. And he was talking about how, you know, we've been a consolidation, then you a trend, then he has a lot of big jargon, but at the end of it, what happened is this, people. This is a powerful thing right here. This is a powerful thing I'm about to say. Between those three learning situations that I was in, okay, I discovered the market cycle. All right. I don't know if you've heard the term market cycle before. I can't say that I've just coined it. But when I think back, I'm trying to think, like, who did I ever hear say that? I may have created that coinage of market cycle. I don't know. I'm not even trying to take credit for it. But what I do know is that I discovered the market cycle the way I see it. Okay. The way I teach it. And so when I discovered the market cycle, it helped me simplify trading. For instance, my mentor, he's using a whole bunch of trend lines, a whole bunch of trend channels. I can't even trade like that. I can't trade like that at all. You know what I mean? He's a beast with it though. But he's great at price action. So I took that price action piece from him, simplified it even more, discovered the market cycle, right? Combined it with price action, Fibonacci retracement zone, which is how we have the sweet spot trade. Okay. And so what you're learning on this channel, I don't know if anybody else is teaching it. I highly doubt it because I discovered it. and I haven't seen nobody who teaches exactly like me, you know what I'm saying, other than people who probably are my students now teaching other people. But the market cycle is the key, okay? And I discovered the market cycle, and that's how I make trading easy, okay? Trading overall for most people is hard. Trading overall for most people is very difficult. Not for us. Once you can see the market cycle, it's like printing money. It is like, once you can see the market cycle, you understand price action entries, you know how to use the 21 EMA properly, you can print money. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. Okay. I don't know what else to say. You can be mad at me because I'm shooting down indicators all day long. I don't know. Put up or shut up, right? Show me your receipts. All right. If you go through my comments, you're going to see people talking about they are winning for the very first time ever. And I ain't talking about people who've been in the market no couple weeks or month. People who've been in trading for years are winning for the very first time with what I teach in my course, on this channel, in the community. Okay. The market cycle is the key. The market cycle, understanding the market cycle, understanding the rule of two, understanding price action, understanding Fibonacci retracement zones. That's how trading becomes easy, because see, all those things you do with the 21 EMA. Everything I just said, other than the Fibonacci retracement zone, is connected to the 21 EMA. So if you become a 21 EMA master and use it like I teach, to be able to see the market cycle, to be able to see the rule of two, to be able to see price action entries, then trading becomes easy. Okay. Trading does not have to be hard. You know, you do not have to keep saying it out loud, putting that bad karma in the air, putting that bad karma against yourself. No. Start saying, hey, you know what? Since I found JD, trading is easy. Ooh, will somebody put that in hey, help me make some more receipts today, people. All right. Get these haters off my back. Hey, if it's true, it's true, right? Put it in the comments today. Since I found JD. No, I'm just playing. Y'all ain't gotta put it in comments like that. But hey, look out for your boy, man. Shut these haters up, right? If this channel has helped you, if you win it for the first time, if you can see the market cycle now, if you can see how the market really moves, if trading has become easier since you found this channel, show your boy some love, all right? So that's the lesson for today. I told you this one was gonna be fun. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. I just wanted to take a quick minute to let you guys know that the Swing Trading Titans community has really become a blessing to many struggling traders. If you really need to get into the market right away, but you're still getting your feet wet, you're still learning things, you're still trying to figure trading out, but you want to get into the game right away, this is a way you can do it. Now, I'll be honest, I haven't been a part of any trading community in over 10 years, so I really can't compare my community to any other one, but let me just tell you what's happening inside of this community, okay? We are sharing Forex trade ideas. Any member can post an idea. They're all based on our Fibonacci retracement sweet spot trade, and it works at a high clip, as you probably already know if you've been watching my YouTube channel. We're also sharing binary options markups, where we just mark up a chart, we find the sweet spot, me and other members post the markup in the community. Soon as the markup is posted, you get an email with a picture showing the markup. And so we're doing more than half of the work for you. All you have to do is get to your trading device, mark up the same pair that we just showed that's in the sweet spot, and look for your second entry shorts, your second entry longs, your higher lows, your lower highs, and take the very same setups that we teach on this YouTube channel Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay, so those two powerful things, those two sections can get you in the trading game right away, even if you're brand spanking new. Okay, if you got $10 and an email address and you already have either a binary options account or a Forex trading account, you can join our team, join our community, and begin to increase on the sudden today. Back to the video. You know, they was coming for your boy, so I had to, hey, you don't want this smoke, all right? We don't want the smoke. We discover, and let me stop and give Yahuwah praise. Yahuwah allowed me to discover the market cycle, to see it how I see it, to make it easier for everyone. You guys notice that I'm not trying to keep this to myself. Notice that I'm not just trying to hoard this life changing trading information to just me and mine. You know what I'm saying? I'm sharing it with the world. Learn the market cycle, learn price action trading, and then you can begin to increase on the sudden. I want you to make it. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to make it. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying? Oh, before I stop, I was finna mess up. One last point. I love to make this correlation, right? Again, you see this book? You see how thick this book is? This book was supposed to teach me how to trade. I lost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars doing what was in this trading book, right? This is what you call bad common trading knowledge. You see how thick it is? You see how much information is in here? This is like when you clog up your charts, right? This is like, cause this book had me putting like 6 indicators on. When I read this book, I had 6 indicators going. All right. So this is a 6 book indicator strategy. This is the 21 EMA price action trading strategy by JD. Okay. This one cost me thousands. This one is making money for people every day in the swing trading titans community, in the Forex, and in binary options. Okay. Bad common trading knowledge. Something that works. The irony kills me, you know what I'm saying? But that's exactly how it is on people's charts. You put 6, 7 indicators on your chart when all you need is the 21 EMA. It's the same thing. Bad common trading knowledge. They want you to overcomplicate trading. But if you can grasp, if you can study, man, that's what's so great about this, people. That's what's so great about this. If you can take the time to study, get your chart hours up, look at enough price charts to finally say, by golly, Miss Molly, this dude I see the market cycle. It's really right there. It's really been right there the whole time, right? If you can look at enough price charts with the 21 EMA to finally see, I once was blind, but now I see, and finally see the market cycle, everything changes. Everything will change. It's right there. It's been right there the whole time. When I finally discovered it, I just couldn't do nothing but praise Yahuwah. Like, thank you. It was here the whole time. The answer was here the whole entire time. The Fibonacci was here the whole entire time to help me see, to pick the spot exactly where prices will turn. And isn't it crazy how prices turn right there? This is just, listen. I make trading easy. I had to say it one last time, you know what I'm saying? Then I'll go back to humble JD. But, they came for me, so I had to let them know what it is over here. I make trading easy, okay? You see me winning every day. You go to my shorts, see the live trade examples where this strategy works, okay? Where price action works, where I'm not using anything but a 21 EMA and I'm calling it and hitting home runs every day like Babe right here, okay? So check it out. Don't come for your boy no more, all right? Do not come for me again. Don't come for me no more. Check it out. I wish you all increase on the sudden. Learn the market cycle. Learn the rule of 2. Study price action. Study your price charts each and every day. And everybody can trade just like me. I'm not that great of a trader, okay? I've just read enough price charts to see the market cycle and have enough discipline to follow the market cycle and wait for the entries where I know they're going to happen. And when they come, when I expect them to come, trading is easy. All right. So I really appreciate it. Hey, hit them comments today for your boy. Hit them comments and look out for your boy. And of course, I have a work study lesson. I wouldn't do all that talking and not teach you anything. So let's go to the charts. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. In today's work study lesson, we're going to be looking at American Express. And so this one was actually pretty easy to read. If you start from the top of the chart, we're trending down, right? We get a trend break, retest a new low. Then we go into a range. Then we get another trend down, trend break, retest a new low. So this is 2 major drops, right? Let's look at it closer. If we were to draw some trend lines right there. Right there, right? Then we ranged for a hot second, all right? Then we dropped again, right there, right there. See that? So you can see this even as a bigger scale as a trend down, range break, really, and then another trend down. Trend down, trend break, retest a new low, market cycle. Okay, that is the market cycle. It's also the rule of 2. Every one of these drops had 2 legs to them. The market cycle and the rule of 2 is how you read a price chart. Okay, that's how you just eyeball the market and read the price chart. But without even doing, drawing the trend lines, if you just use the 21 EMA, we're under it. This is a trend break, clear trend break. This is 5-6 bars that broke above the 21 EMA. That's a trend break. Trend down, trend break, retest new low. So that's why I don't even draw trend lines, because it's cleaner to just use the 21 EMA. I see it clearer just using the 21 EMA, and it makes it easy. It simplifies it. The cleaner your price chart, the better you can see the price action. The more stuff you put on the more indicators you put on, the more trend lines you draw, the more little, square boxes you draw for market structure, the messier your chart becomes. If you keep it clean, you could actually read the price chart, because what you need to see is these bars. You need to know what these bars are doing. But you got the trend down, trend break, retest. Then if the EMA starts looking like a roller coaster, you're in a range. Then once we break strong here, this is a clear breakout. This is a clear breakout. Came back up. Now you got the trend break, and then boom, retest a new low. So how do we trade this? Well, if you know where you are in the market cycle, then you know what's coming next. So in this case, after I've had this basically 2 trend down trend breaks, I know that this down market cycle is over. And what you can see is when I look back to the left, this was also a previous bottom. So you almost could look at this as a range fade headed back up, but we know the market cycle for the downtrend has run its course. That's why understanding the market cycle is so powerful. Knowing where you are in the market cycle is so powerful, because after you know where you are, then you can take high probability trades. So once I realized that this market cycle was over and I seen this humongous push up here, 1, 2, 3, 4 huge bars. The size of the candles matter. I don't know what I just said. The size of the candles matter. Okay, that's candlestick theory. When you this candle alone would have told me that big money just came into the market. Then when you shoot through the 21 EMA like this, I mean, no resistance, it just rockets through the 21 EMA. After these 2, big money has just come into the market. Look at all these candles here. Let's count a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 candles. This thing ate up 18. This thing, 4 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles ate up the previous 18. That's a change in direction. Okay, that's a change in direction. The size of the candles matter. So once we shot up, pull back, look at the rejection on this candle. Okay, then this one is basically off the EMA, in my opinion. Shot strong up, cleared this area again. I'm going right here. I'm going right here, because we also understand the rule of 2, which is this: trend up, trend break. I'm gonna get a retest to a new high. See that? So the rule of 2 and the market cycle work together, even in a small sense here. This is a trend up, trend break, retest a new high. I'm taking that right there with a beautiful signal candle. And then you get a low, push up, higher low with a gorgeous signal candle. I mean, downright gorgeous. Downright gorgeous right here. Pushing up, close on this top, cleared everything to the left. Humongous and strong. Oh my goodness. And again, look at, we obviously see that big money is moving up. This market cycle is over. Okay. So we have targets of here, 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 here. There's a long ways up. You take this one right here. There is a long way up. Then you get another one. Low, push up, higher low right here. Boom. All of those would have worked. Now, once you get here, you're too far from the EMA. In my opinion, this one's actually too far from the EMA, to be honest with you. I got to make that a light blue, because that one it worked, but it's a little too far from the EMA also. Because if you look to the left, we're coming into some possible supply, right? Some possible resistance right here. So you got to be careful with this one. It worked, but you got to be careful there. What you would rather do is wait for another touch off of the 21 EMA, which is more than likely going to come in the form of a second entry to be the center of this pattern, because this is a leg up. So now we're looking for a second entry to start another leg. And guess what? You get it right here. Here's the high, push down, first entry, push down, second entry long, another beautiful signal candle. I got a dot there. Another beautiful signal candle. Push through the EMA, close on this top, close higher than the bar to the left. I mean, these are some beautiful signal candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 beauties. I mean, 4 downright beautiful signal candles. And that's a home run. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. People are making trading too hard, okay, by adding too much. If you keep it simple, then you can actually read the price chart. Okay, if you clutter your price chart, you won't be able to read it. But if you keep it simple, all you need is a 21 EMA and an understanding of the market cycle, and an understanding of the rule of two, and an understanding of price action entries like higher lows, second entry short, second entry long. All this was 3 higher lows, low, higher low, low, higher low, low, higher low. We got 3 higher lows and then a first entry, second entry long. Boom. I could put a name on every one of them trades. That was 3 higher lows and a second entry long. If you understand what trade you're looking for, if you understand the setup that the market creates over and over again, if you understand how markets move, then trading becomes pretty easy. It's not as hard as they want us to believe. They make it hard on purpose by giving you too many tools, by giving you too many options. But if you keep day trading simple, it's simple. It doesn't have to be hard. It's only we make it hard. You know what I'm saying? And that's the trap. The trap. That is the trap. They make it hard with too much technical analysis, too many tools, too many indicators, too many strategies. You know, just it's too much, right? And it's overwhelming, especially to the new trader. You know what I'm saying? It overwhelms the new trader. You don't know what you should be doing. You don't know if you should be taking breakouts. You don't know if you should be taking pivot points. You don't know if you should be learning about support and resistance. You don't know what you should be doing, right? When in reality, like most things in life, if you keep it simple and master the basics, then things start to go in your favor. So the basics is the 21 EMA, market cycle, rule of two, price action entry, signal candle theories. Those are the pillars. Those are the basics. If you learn and master those basics, then trading becomes easy. Okay, so that's the work study lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this was nothing but 3 higher lows and a second entry long that would have gave anybody a great trading day. And it's not hard to see if you could just follow the 21 EMA, trend down, trend break, retest new low. Trend down, trend break, retest new low. This market cycle is over double time. Now we should be going higher. Do we have any clues that we're going higher? We do. We get 4 monsters in a row. We're about to reverse. Then take every appropriate entry for a great day. All right. So this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. And remember to leave a comment if you really enjoyed this. You know, look out for your boy, right? I greatly appreciate it. All right. So I'm signing off. My name is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.